Now we are going to program your LED to blink a specific number of times based on the program from before. If you haven't watched the previous video, please be sure to watch it before watching this one. This video will teach you about how to set the number of repeats by using the repeat block. Except for the when clicked block, any block can be deleted by dragging it back to the block palette or by right-clicking the block and clicking on Delete Block. If you have accidentally deleted a block, you can restore it by right-clicking an open space and clicking on Undo. Drag the repeat block from the control palette to the script field. Move the blocks in the Forever block into the opening of the repeat block. Drag the Forever block back to the block palette to delete it. Connect the group of blocks you made to the When Clicked block. Now you have programmed your LED to blink 10 times in a row. This program tells the LED to turn on, wait 1 second, and then turn off the LED, wait 1 second again, and repeat this 10 times. Use a USB cable to connect your Studino to your PC. Now click on Edit, then Transfer to transfer your program. The LED will automatically start to blink 10 times in 1 second intervals once the transfer finishes. Next, we will change the number of blinks by changing the number in the repeat block. Click the number 10 in the repeat block and type in the number of LED blinks you want. Use a USB cable to connect your Studino to your PC. Now click on Edit, then Transfer to transfer your program. The LED will automatically blink the number of times you set once the transfer finishes. You can start a transferred program by clicking on the When Clicked block. Once you've transferred a program, you can run it using power from your battery box. Unplug your USB cable from the Studino, plug in your battery box, turn it on, and check to see if your LED blinks the number of times that you set. Once your program finishes, restart it by pressing the Reset button on the board. The next step would be changing the speed of a blink. Click on the next video to see how to program.